Hello friends, welcome to my channel to Shimi's Dastarkhaan. Today's recipe is chicken Manchurian. Chicken Manchurian is a very popular Indo-Chinese recipe. In this, it consists of a crispy coated chicken balls in a spicy and a tangy sauce. So, I will be showing you a step-by-step of this process. So, if you like my recipe and find it easy to make in your kitchen, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. So now let's get started. To make chicken Manchurian, firstly I'll show the ingredients for the chicken balls. Here is 250 grams of grounded chicken, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped green chillies, little bit of coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons of chopped capsicum, 2 teaspoons of spring onions, salt to taste and pepper to taste, soya sauce 1 teaspoon, all-purpose flour that is Maida 1.5 teaspoon and corn flour 1 teaspoon. Ingredients for the gravy: 2 green chili chopped, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of capsicum, 2 teaspoons of spring onion whites and spring onions green for the garnish, and salt and pepper to taste. To make the sauce mix, I will be using half cup of water, then soya sauce 1 teaspoon, vinegar half teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of ketchup and 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, cornstarch half teaspoon, and all-purpose flour half teaspoon, and then I'm going to mix it. Make the mix lump free. So the first step will be marinating and frying the chicken balls. So in this I will be adding chopped ginger, garlic, green chili, coriander leaves, peppers and spring onions. Salt and pepper, cornstarch that gives the binding, all-purpose flour and the soya sauce. Combine and mix well. Marinate this chicken for about 15 minutes. I've heated up the oil and portioned all my chicken balls. So I will be adding one by one. Keep the flame in low. Here I am doing shallow fry. You can deep fry the balls too. Now I will fry the balls till they are nice, golden and crispy from outside. Chicken balls are nicely fried. Now I'll take it out. There's a nice crunch in the outer covering. Meanwhile my chicken balls are frying, I'll show you how you can make these chicken balls in the upper pan without frying, and it will use a very little oil. So heat up the upper pan, brush it with a very little oil. I'll add the chicken balls into it. And now I will cover it and cook it. You can see the chicken are frying so nicely in my upper pan. So this is a healthy version. You can try this also. It takes a very little oil. See, there is a nice crispy coating on the surface. So just fry it from all the sides. My chicken balls are all ready. So these I have deep fried and these I have made in the uppy pan with a very little amount of oil. You can make it anyway. So now I will start preparing the sauce. I have added 4 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm taking the garlic chopped, ginger chopped, green chillies, chopped capsicum, and then I'll saute it for a while. To this, I will be adding the white part of the spring onions. Add sugar to taste and pepper powder to taste. Give a stir and give a mix to the sauce and then add it. Now wait for the boil. The gravy is boiling. Now I will slide my chicken balls into it and give a stir and let the balls simmer it into the gravy for about 5 more minutes. Chicken Manchurian is ready. You can adjust the consistency as your preference. I have sprinkled some spring onions and now I will dish it out. Friends, here is my delicious and saucy Indo-Chinese chicken Manchurian. Do give it a try, and if you like the step-by-step process of making it, do hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. Till then, goodbye.